In Zimbabwe, the intersection of politics and the judiciary is a topic that demands attention, and the recent case of Neville Mutsvangwa brings this issue into the spotlight. Neville, a Harare businessman, was arrested on charges of illegal foreign currency dealings and possessing an unlicensed Starlink router. The complexity of his case, however, extends far beyond these charges. After being initially denied bail, Neville's appeal to the High Court became a national spectacle. Not just because of the charges, but because of who Neville is, the son of Monica Mutsvangwa, Zimbabwe's Minister of Women's Affairs. What unfolded next is telling of the influence and tension within Zimbabwe's legal system. Justice Esther Maremba, presiding over Neville's bail hearing, faced unprecedented pressure. After Monica Mutsvangwa reportedly appealed to President Mnangagwa himself, Justice Maremba felt so intimidated that she had to recuse herself from the case. This action alone speaks volumes about the challenges facing judicial independence in Zimbabwe. It's crucial to understand that the judiciary's ability to function without external pressures is foundational to democracy. Yet, as veteran lawyer David Coltart highlighted, the recusal of Justice Maremba under such circumstances is highly uncommon and suggests a deeper issue of political influence over judicial decisions. Moreover, the public reaction has been mixed. Some see this as a clear case of political overreach into legal matters, while others are concerned about the precedent it sets for future judicial proceedings in Zimbabwe. As analysts of political systems, we must ask ourselves, how can judicial independence be safeguarded in environments prone to political interference? This case serves as a critical study of the delicate balance between governmental power and judicial autonomy. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Zimbabwe's ongoing struggle for judicial independence. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for anyone interested in the integrity of legal systems in politically complex environments. Stay tuned for more insightful analyses into global political affairs.